2018, question 6. Let's do part 2. Now the part 2, we worked out for the first part that it does say find out the obtuse angle BAC, and we worked out that to be 2.346 to four single figures. Now it goes to work out the area of the triangle ABC. Now area of the triangle ABC, if we just draw quickly the triangle ABC rather than flicking backwards and forwards, we know that is pi over 6. We know we've worked out this angle to be 2.346. Now that is an obtuse angle, and we've been told that this is 7 centimeters, and we've been told that this is 10 centimeters. Now in order to find the area of this triangle ABC, I can use the sine rule, but to use the sine rule I need this angle. Okay, so using this sine rules, half AB sine C, because it's always the two sides and the angle it incorporates between those two sides, A and B. Okay, so how do we find this angle? We can just simply add these two, okay, and take away from pi. Pi is 180 degrees, remember that. Pi is 180 degrees in radians, as you know. So we just do pi, take away 2.346, add pi over 6. And if we did that, this angle C would give me, which I worked out earlier, it's a simple process on the calculator. It will give you 0.272. Okay, and then using this angle, I'm just going to now simply just sub these figures into our formula. Area is equal to half, the two sides are 7 times 10, and then times sine with the angle. Don't forget we're still in radians, it's 0.272, close bracket. And if you just plug that straight in your calculator, you're going to get the area 9.403 centimeters squared, and just leave that to 9.40 centimeters squared. So that's part 2. Okay, part 3. Let's just have a quick read what part 3 says. It goes, given that the area of the sector ACD, area of the sector, is equal to the area of the triangle, which we've just worked out, find the length of CD. So that's the arc. Find the length of CD, which is the arc. So we've got all this, and we just got to find C to D, the length. Okay, so given that those two areas are the same. So if we just quickly go up, right, let's just have a look at this, part 3. Now, first of all, area of sector, you should know, is half r squared theta, and I know that area is going to equal 940. I also know that that is 2 and that is 7, radius is 7 squared, and that's, I need to find what theta is. Simple arrangement, double that, take the 2 up by doubling it, then share it by 7 squared, which is 49. So theta will give me, once you do those calculations, you can just simply do that on your calculator, and that will give you 0.384. Now, once you got that, the arc length, which we need to find, okay, that's C to D, is just going to be r theta, and in this case, r is 7, and theta is 0.384. And if you just put that through your calculator, you will get 2.69 centimeters. Job done.